Hey, welcome to my channel. Today we explore the world's marvels again. We're diving into the ocean today, which makes up over 70% of our world, yet it has to be thoroughly investigated. Come along as we learn some of the most amazing truths about the ocean, its inhabitants, and how it affects the Earth. Now let's inhale profoundly and get started. The ocean's vastness, over 70% of the Earth's surface or more than 140 million square miles, comprises the nearly unfathomably large ocean. This enormous body of water, which can be found in areas like the Mariana Trench and reaches depths of up to 36,000 feet, is a significant geographical feature of our globe and an essential part of the global ecology. The photosynthesis of marine plants like phytoplankton and seaweed generates more than half of the world's oxygen. It also acts as a significant carbon sink, absorbing about 50 times more carbon dioxide than our atmosphere and regulating Earth's climate by moving heat from the equator to the poles through its currents. The ocean is a massive living thing essential to life on Earth because of its size. It supports a fantastic diversity of species and ecosystems, some well-known and many still undiscovered. Its vastness and depth underline the urgent need for its investigation and preservation, as they contain not only the secrets to a sustainable future, but also the key to comprehending our planet's past. The deepest points. Some of the world's most isolated and unexplored locations are in the deepest oceanic regions, such as the Mariana, Challenger, and Tampa trenches. The world's lowest point is the Mariana Trench in the western Pacific Ocean. It is around 36,000 feet, almost 11,000 meters deep, a region so deep that it descends farther below sea level than Mount Everest does above it. These abyssal zones have temperatures close to freezing, are entirely black all the time, and are subject to extreme pressure, up to 1,000 times that of the usual sea level air pressure. Because of unique biological systems, life persists despite these harsh conditions, having adapted to the demanding environment. In addition to its extreme depth, the Challenger Deep, a portion of the Mariana Trench, and other comparable trenches, such as the Tonga Trench, are essential for their contributions to deep-sea ecology and geology, providing an understanding of plate tectonics, the carbon cycle, and the boundaries of life on Earth. Pushing the limits of what we know about our planet, exploring these depths tests our technical prowess and deepens our grasp of life's adaptability. Underwater waterfalls and lakes. Among the most captivating and little-known natural phenomena in the ocean are underwater lakes and waterfalls, which highlight the intricacy and beauty of marine habitats. The movement of denser, colder water sinking beneath lighter, warmer water creates an underwater waterfall effect beneath the sea that can dwarf even the most majestic terrestrial waterfalls in scale, with thousands of cubic meters of water falling nearly 11,500 feet per second. One example of this phenomenon is the Denmark Strait Cataract, the largest underwater waterfall in the world. Similarly, saltwater seeping out of the sea forms a brine thicker than the surrounding water. Eventually, it pools into an ocean floor lake similar to those found in the Gulf of Mexico. These brine pools frequently have a salt rim around them, forming a clear border that can be fatal to marine life not acclimated to the high salinity. Underwater lakes and waterfalls challenge our ideas about water and its behavior in the deep ocean by establishing distinctive habitats that sustain specialized organisms and provide a window into the dynamic processes that change the underwater landscape of our planet. The uncharted territories, over 80% of the ocean's enormous surface is undiscovered, indicating that it is primarily unmapped and unexplored. This vast, enigmatic region, which is more profound in some places than the highest mountains, has mysteries that have been concealed for endless millennia. Beneath the waves are new species, unusual ecosystems, geological formations, and ancient artifacts that have yet to be examined by science or human eyes. The harsh conditions, darkness, crushing pressures, and frigid temperatures make exploring these depths challenging, even for the most sophisticated exploration gear. However, these unexplored regions beckon as the last frontier on Earth, providing unmatched chances for scientific breakthroughs ranging from comprehending the Earth's climate system and the beginnings of life to discovering new molecules for medical use. In addition to advancing our understanding of the ocean, the discovery of these regions highlights the urgent need for cutting-edge technology and conservation initiatives to save these unspoiled ecosystems from the growing risks posed by climate change and human activities. The ocean's living fossils. Living fossils from the ocean, like horseshoe crabs and coelacanths, are directly linked to Earth's remote past since they have withstood immense evolutionary changes over millions of years while remaining unaltered. These extinct species, many of which date back hundreds of millions of years, have persevered through epochs and significant extinctions, and their biology provides priceless insights into the environmental factors and evolutionary processes of those epochs. The coelacanth was recovered in 1938, shocking the scientific world since it was previously thought to have vanished along with the dinosaurs 66 million years ago. Similarly, the blue blood of horseshoe crabs, whose ancestry dates back over 450 million years, continues to be vital to modern medicine's ability to identify bacterial endotoxins. In addition to affording a window into Earth's evolutionary past, the study of these living fossils highlights how adaptable and resilient life is in the face of shifting conditions, providing lessons about survival and continuity that are as profound as they are old. The Great Barrier Reef. At more than 1,400 miles long, the Great Barrier Reef is the most extensive coral reef system in the world, stretching along Australia's northeastern coast. This breathtaking natural wonder is a thriving underwater city brimming with life and a rainbow of colors. The Great Barrier Reef, comprised of over 2,900 separate reefs and 900 islands, is home to hundreds of different kinds of fish, mollusks, sponges, and corals. It is also an incredible sight and an essential ecosystem. Due to its immense size and intricate structure, it is a powerful biological force that preserves ocean species and provides fishing and tourism jobs for coastal communities. Unfortunately, overfishing, pollution, and climate change pose unprecedented risks to the Great Barrier Reef, placing it in danger of permanent harm. The existence of its rare creatures and the health of the marine ecosystems worldwide depend on efforts to conserve and safeguard this natural beauty. The economy of the ocean. A vital component of world wealth, the ocean's economy creates enormous value and sustains diverse businesses and lives. An extensive range of industries, including shipping, fishing, tourism, and renewable energy, are part of the ocean economy, substantially contributing to global commerce, employment, and economic expansion. For instance, shipping connects markets and allows resources and products to be moved on a colossal scale, facilitating the transit of almost 90% of all trade worldwide. Millions of people rely on the fishing business for their livelihood and work, and it is an essential source of nourishment for billions more people worldwide. Moreover, the tourist industry along the coast, propelled by immaculate beaches, thriving marine habitats, and aquatic pursuits, brings in billions of dollars to coastal cities every year. Furthermore, the ocean is becoming increasingly acknowledged as a renewable energy source, with offshore projects for tidal, wave, and wind energy developing as viable substitutes for conventional fossil fuels. The long-term sustainability of the ocean economy is threatened by pollution, unsustainable practices, and climate change. Thus, it is with difficulties. Therefore, maintaining the prosperity of coastal communities and protecting marine ecosystems for future generations requires the responsible and sustainable use of ocean resources. The ocean is a place of vital importance, beauty, and mystery. Its expanse sustains life globally, yet its depths contain mysteries yet to be discovered. We must never forget our duty to preserve the ocean while we continue to study and explore it. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the ocean's depths. If you found these facts as fascinating as we did, give us a like, share this video, and subscribe to for more incredible insights into our planet. Until next time, keep exploring.